Skin changes during and after pregnancy. Yes, pregnancy is often called a glow up phase, but the truth is, not every woman experiences glowing skin. Hormonal shifts, blood circulation changes, and immune system adaptations can cause a variety of normal and sometimes surprising skin changes. First, we talk about common skin changes during pregnancy. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mrs. Said Karim. Yeah, so common skin changes during pregnancy is hyperpigmentation, means darkening of skin. Yeah, caused by increased estrogen, progesterone, and melanocyte and melanocyte stimulating hormones. Areas most affected like face, areola, inner thighs, underarms, and genital region. Special form melasma, colosma, mask of pregnancy. Brown patches on cheeks, nose, and forehead. Yeah, and worse with sun exposure. Number 2. Linea nigra. Yes, linea nigra, a dark vertical line that appears on the abdomen from pubic bone to navel or higher, caused by pigment changes, fades after delivery. Number 3. Stretch marks. Yes, striatum, reddish, purple, or pink streaks on the abdomen, breasts, thighs, and buttocks, caused by skin stretching, hormonal effects on collagen, usually fed to silvery white after delivery. Number 4. Pregnancy glow. Yeah, some women develop brighter, radiant skin due to increased blood circulation and oil production. For others, it may cause oily skin and acne. Number 5. Acne and oily skin. Yes, hormonal surges can increase sebum, means oil production, can lead to breakouts, especially in the first trimester. Number 6. Spider veins, means varicose veins. Yeah, it's due to increased blood volume and pressure on veins. Appear as small red purple spider like vessels on face, chest, and legs. Number 7. Skin tags. Yeah, small harmless growths due to hormonal stimulation, and in common is underarms, neck, and breast. Number 8. Palmar erythema. Yes, redness of the palms due to estrogen, and harmless, resolves after delivery. Number 9. Hair and nail changes. Yeah, many women experience thicker hair and faster nail growth during pregnancy. It's due to hormonal effect. And postpartum hair shedding, or it's common. Now I talked to you about skin changes after pregnancy, mean in postpartum periods. Yeah, so melasma and linea nigra gradually fade but may persist for months. And stretch marks, yes, lighten in color but rarely disappear completely. Postpartum acne, some women continue to have breakouts due to fluctuating hormones. And loose skin, yeah, due to stretched collagen, may take months to tighten. Hair loss, yeah, it peaks around 3 to 6 months postpartum, usually resolves by approximately 12 months. Scars from C-section or episiotomy, yeah, heal over time, may leave permanent marks. Now we talk about management and care. So sunscreen, very important for melasma, yes, and moisturizers, yeah, cocoa butter, shea butter helps with dryness, stretch marks. Through not fully, just like preventable. And gentle skincare you have to do. Just avoid harsh chemicals like retinoids and hydroquinone. Yes, avoid this during pregnancy. And postpartum dermatological treatment. Yeah, safe options for melasma skins and scars after breastfeeding. And have a balanced diet plus hydration. Yeah, it's supposed to skin healing. So in short, pregnancy can bring both positive glow and negative also, and challenging like melasma, stretch marks, acne, skin changes, and most are harmless and temporary, but some may need skincare supports postpartum. So don't forget to follow my account, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Azani Saeed. Thank you.